Everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add holidays to Proton Calendar step by step. Adding a holiday calendar is a great way to keep track of public holidays and special dates alongside your personal events and appointments. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer or mobile device and sign in with your Proton account. Wait for your calendar to load completely before continuing. Next, open Settings or the Calendar Management section, depending on the version of Proton Calendar you're using. Look for options related to calendars, import and export, or add calendar. If your version of Proton Calendar includes built-in holiday calendars, simply select your country or region from the available list and enable the holiday calendar. The public holidays will automatically appear alongside your existing events. If a built-in holiday calendar isn't available, you can import one manually. Download a trusted ICS holiday calendar for your country, then return to Proton Calendar and choose Import Calendar or Import from ICS file. Select the downloaded file and complete the import process. After the import finishes, review your calendar to confirm that the holidays appear on the correct dates. If you imported the holidays into a separate calendar, you can change its color or visibility to make it easier to distinguish from your personal events. Finally, if next year's holidays don't appear automatically, check whether your imported holiday calendar requires periodic updates or download an updated ICS file when needed. And that's it. You now know how to add holidays to Proton Calendar using either a built-in holiday calendar, when available, or by importing an ICS holiday calendar file. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.